Not science at the library. Well, tell you what you learned. But first, this is a nice.
Whoa, greetings, Be Amazing Girls. What was that? And what are you wearing on your face? Wait, this is not the Be Amazing Girls?
I'm the amazing girl.
Oh, okay. Okay, there you are. I just didn't see you for a minute. It almost looked like you turned so many different colors. You look different. Okay. Now, can you tell us a little bit about what you learned today in science?
Yes, we learned about the solar system. As you can see, this is the sun.
And the sun is?
A star. And this is a Christmas. And you use this and look at the sun and it looks different. It looks kind of weird.
Oh, that's the reason why you were wearing that on your face.
It looks like
So
the
that
planet Earth.
You could get a different glance at the sun. Very interesting. Now, can you show us how that works again?
If it's red, it looks like a sun. Looks like someone a red Mars if it's like that.
Okay, Shiro, a Be Amazing Girl Kaya, and Shiro, Be Amazing Girl Nia. Are you ready to show us the sun again? Uh-oh.
1, 2, 3, go!
Science is cool.
Look through it.
And science
Red,
is
blue, look around.
nice. It's
Science
brain
is
food.
weird.
See you later.
See you later.